Welcome, savvy explorers, ready to discover the world without emptying your wallets? You're in the right place. Today we're talking budget travel, a smart and resourceful way to experience all the globe has to offer. In our fast-paced, ever-changing world, knowing how to stretch your travel funds through clever strategies and smart planning is not just essential, it's empowering. So buckle up, as we're about to embark on a journey of discovery filled with top hacks for budget-friendly globetrotting. Stay tuned. First off, let's tackle the biggest expense, airfare. Navigating the world of cheap flights might seem like a maze, but with a few tricks up your sleeve, it can be a breeze. Flight comparison websites are your best friend here. They sift through numerous airlines and travel sites, providing you with the best options for your budget and itinerary. Now, let's talk flexibility. If you're not bound by specific travel dates, you have the upper hand. Prices fluctuate based on demand, so traveling during off-peak seasons or midweek can save you a bundle. Booking in advance is another smart move. Airlines often offer lower rates for early birds, but don't forget to keep an eye out for last-minute promotions too. Airlines would rather sell a seat at a discount than let it go empty. Remember, the key to snagging affordable flights is patience and flexibility. Next up, packing. Yes, what you pack can save you money. When it comes to traveling on a budget, less really is more. By packing light, you can sidestep those hefty baggage fees airlines love to charge. Plus, it's easier to navigate airports, train stations, and city streets with a lighter load. Now, what about the stuff you do pack? Versatility is key. Choose items that can be mixed and matched to create different looks. And don't forget about layers. They're a traveler's best friend, helping you adapt to changing weather without carrying a bunch of bulky clothes. And here's a tasty tip. Pack your own snacks. Airport food prices can be sky high, and we all know how disappointing airplane food can be, so stash some granola bars, nuts, or dried fruit in your bag. They'll keep you fueled during those long layovers or unexpected delays, so pack smart, pack light, and save more for your adventures. Now, let's talk about accommodations and activities. Two areas where you can save big. Accommodation can be one of the biggest expenses on a trip, but it doesn't have to be. Consider alternative lodging options like hostels and vacation rentals. Not only are these often cheaper than hotels, but they also offer a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture. Hostels often have communal kitchens where you can cook your own meals, saving you money on dining out. Plus, they're a great place to meet other travelers and maybe even find a travel buddy. Home exchanges are another great way to save. You can swap homes with someone in your destination city for a nominal fee, giving you a place to stay at no extra cost. And who knows, you might even make a new friend in the process. Now, on to activities. You'd be surprised at how many free or discounted attractions you can find if you do a little research. Museums often have certain days or hours when admission is free, and many cities have public parks, markets, and festivals that won't cost you a dime. Speaking of markets, they're not just for sightseeing. Local markets and street food stalls are your ticket to budget-friendly meals. Here, you can sample authentic local cuisine at a fraction of the cost of a restaurant meal. Remember, experiencing the local culture can be both enriching and cost-effective. And there you have it, the best hacks for budget-friendly travel. We've journeyed together through the world of affordable flights, maximizing the use of flight comparison websites to snag the best deals. We've delved into the art of packing smart, ensuring we only carry what's necessary, thus avoiding those pesky extra baggage fees. We've explored the realm of savings on accommodations, discovering the charm of hostels and vacation rentals. And let's not forget the treasure trove of free or discounted attractions and the gastronomic delights of local street food markets, all while keeping our wallets happy. Remember, the key to successful budget travel lies in planning ahead, being flexible, and making smart choices. It's about striking the perfect balance between saving money and creating unforgettable experiences. So, as you embark on your next adventure, keep these handy tips in mind. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and hacks. Happy budget travels, everyone!